Hi, I'm Rania, a final year medical student using my pseudonym today. Welcome to 1 Minute Wisdom. Today, I want to share how doing a variety of small things can be more fulfilling than focusing all your energy on one big task. Last year, I did my master's degree, and I thought spending hours on a single assignment was the best way to be productive. But honestly, it felt draining, and I rarely felt fulfilled at the end of the day. Now that I'm back in med school, my days are completely different and so much more rewarding. I see patients, practice clinical skills, try out extracurriculars, cook meals, catch up with friends, and even tour around the UK when I can. What changed? I realized that variety makes life feel richer. Even small moments like making dinner or exploring a new town add joy and balance that long hours on one task just couldn't. The lesson: don't get stuck in a single focus. By doing lots of little things, you create a life full of colour and meaning. So, if you're chasing fulfillment, try balancing your day with small, meaningful activities. Thanks for watching 1 Minute Wisdom. Like and subscribe for more insights, and I'll see you in the next one.